Hello, I'm Kodie, the gift messenger bot. Are you a merchant selling gift products in your online Shopify store? How many times have you had trouble printing gift messages for a gift order, putting it with the right gift, and shipping it to the recipient's address? It is time to move on. The future of gift messaging is here. Delight your customers and create lasting memories for them with our personalized digital gift messaging service. Just install Kodie to your store and your customers can start adding gift messages right away. Let's zoom in to see how Kodie works. After a successful purchase, Kodie widget pops up asking the customer to add a gift message. Customers have 3 options to add a personalized gift message. Record or upload a personal video message. Create an Instagram-style photo message using filters, annotations, stickers, and much more. Or even a simple text message to express their love. After the customer adds a gift message, Kodie encrypts the gift message and secures it in the server until it is time to be delivered. Customer is then sent an email confirmation about the gift message. Kodie is connected to over 950 global shipping partners, so it can easily track gift orders. The gift message delivery is perfectly timed with the gift package delivery, creating a delightful experience for the gift recipient. Kodie also sends a gift message delivery confirmation email to the customer who sent the gift. After the gift message is viewed, Kodie redirects automatically to a brand page where more of your product ads can be showcased to the viewers. Kodie's post-purchase experience creates lasting memories for customers and increases brand loyalty. Kodie helps build brand affinity. Delighted gift recipients become prospective customers. The opportunity to re-engage customers and gift recipients through ads will boost traffic to your store and increase sales. It is a win-win for you and your customers. What are you waiting for? Install Kodie today and establish a deep connection with your customers forever.